Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Endah Krisdayanti. I am the student in Pancasakti University. Today I'd like to present my journal proposal for my qualitative research. This is my explanations about me, and my subject is the qualitative research methodology. My lecturer is Leroy HS MPD. I made this video to fulfill my final test in this subject. Okay. In this time, I use the title that improving student speaking skill using digital worksheet activity to primary school student as my title. This is my journal title proposal for the English Education Department of Teacher Training and Education Faculty in Pancasakti University, Bekasi. And here is my email. And then, okay, this is the journal itself. Okay, as you can see here that my title, Improving Student Speaking Skill Using Digital Worksheet Activity to Primary School Student. In here, I would like to start with the abstract. And the abstract for this journal is: this research is developed by the attractiveness of student worksheets that have been available to trace student speaking skill, namely conventional worksheets that only contain black and white writing papers. Along with the times, conventional worksheets can easily be replaced with digital worksheets, which are more interactive and more engaging for students in learning. This research was conducted to improve student speaking skills through the use of digital worksheet at an Islamic elementary school in Darussalam Cikunir, Bekasi. The research method which is used is classroom action research, or we call it CAR, with a collaborative classroom action research design. The author collaborates with English teachers at SDI Darussalam as observers and collaborators. This research was conducted using Kurt Lewin's model with action research procedures, namely planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. The data collection techniques in this study were interviews, questionnaires, field note, and also the test. And the keyword which is I use for this abstract is the classroom research, speaking skill, digital worksheet activity, and then primary school. Okay, we come to the introduction. In this introduction, I underline that the modern learning system nowadays that students not only act as recipients of the messages but also act as communicators or messengers. The condition that is called two-way communication and even multi-way communication occurs. In this two-way communication, teaching materials are needed to increase the effectiveness of achieving learning objectives. The learning process will occur if there is communication between the recipient of the message and also the source or distributor of the message through the media. This is mentioned by Nurseto 2011. One of the teaching materials that can be used is student worksheet. Student worksheet is an instructional tool that consists of series of questions and information designed to guide students in understanding complex ideas. This is according to Cho et al. At 2011. The student worksheet, as one of the teaching materials, have an important role in providing assignment relevant to the materials being taught to the students that can be used to explore students' abilities in the learning process. In this case, the teacher have faced obstacles in selecting and making worksheet media that can be used to train student speaking skill, because conventional worksheet models can no longer accommodate time and space. This worksheet is no longer effective to be used, especially in the online learning situation where time and place to study are limited. For students themselves, the use of conventional worksheet that have been used so far has not attracted students' attention and interest. So digital worksheet interactive media that utilize technology in learning can be used as a new references to replace conventional worksheet. Presentation of worksheets in the form of digital worksheet through animated image, sound, and delivery can attract students' attention and interest so that their motivation to learn will increase. A digital worksheet is a tool that can be used as effective interactive teaching material. The result of the interview that the researcher conducted between the teachers during preliminary study stated that the students' worksheets used so far is not good enough to support the student speaking practice, and it is unable to improve student speaking skills. Practice makes, if not perfect, at least fluent. In speaking class, students are expected to practice producing the target language as much as possible. Through this, they will be trained to produce English automatically. To make this speaking class fruitful or good, the teacher can conduct some communicative tasks as suggested by Thornbury. In here, the communicative task is using the digital worksheet. Okay, and then I come here to the literature review. In my literature review, I put it the assessing of speaking because this has become the target point. It is stated by the Thornbury 2005 stated that there are two main ways to assess speaking. There are holistic scoring and analytic scoring. Holistic scoring uses a single score as the basis of an overall impression, while analytic scoring uses a separate score for different aspects of the task. Each of those has its advantages, where the holistic way is quick and suitable for informally assessing progress. Meanwhile, analytic scoring takes longer since it requires the teacher to take a variety of factors into account, and it's probably fairer and more reliable. This is according to Thornbury. In the literature review about the student's worksheet. The student worksheet is one of the teaching materials in the form of sheets containing questions, instructions, and step-by-step that must be carried out to help the student in mastering basic competence. This is taken by Sapita and Juniati in 2021. Well, digital worksheet itself is a task which is printed in the form of sheets of paper containing material, summaries, and instruction for implementing learning that must be done by the student, which refers to the achievement of basic competence. A digital worksheet is a digital or electronic form of the worksheet which contain interactive media such as picture, sound, video, links, and direct feedback. This kind of the worksheet can be applied by using the computer technology. And then the research method which is used here is a classroom action research according to Burns 2010 part 2. Action research is a self-reflective, systematic, and critical approach to an inquiry by participants who are the same member of the research community. Its purpose is to identify problematic situations or issues to be worthy of investigation, to bring about critically informed changes in practices. In the research methodology, I put at the setting of the research. The setting of the research including the setting of the place. In here, the setting of the place is conducted in primary school, which name is SDI Darussalam Cikunir in Bekasi, which is designed for grade 4 student. There are 4 classes for the 4 grade student in this school from 4A to 4D, in which in the class there are 28 students for each. They come from various levels of economy, but mostly they are the medium level of economy. And then setting time. The setting time which is effective to do this is within the academic year of the second semester in SDI Darussalam. And the subject of the research is the English teacher. The 4 grade students, the researcher, and also the researcher collaborator have participated in this research. The English teacher, the researcher, and the research collaborator work collaboratively to overcome the problems related to the speaking skill. We work together in identifying the problem of the English teaching and learning process related to the teaching, speaking, collecting data, planning the solution, conducting the activities in the class, evaluating and reflecting on the use of action done. The types of the data that I use here for study is a qualitative data. The data are collected through observation and interviews in the form of the vignette and interviews transcript to describe the implementation of the action process, the changes, and then improvement after implementing the action. The qualitative data were also in the form of observation checklists, which would be fulfilled by the English teacher and research collaborator. Data collecting techniques and the instrument. The techniques and some instruments are gained through observation, interview, testing, and documenting the study. And the data analysis techniques. Okay, the data analysis techniques of the research, which is based on the Burns theory, that she suggests that some techniques of the data analysis as follows are assembling the data, coding the data, comparing the data, building meanings and interpretation, and reporting the outcomes. And the last one is the research procedure. The research procedure, conducted more than one cycle, consists of four broad phases suggested by Chemnitz and McTaggart in the Burns. The phases are reconnaissance. This is considered the first step of doing the research. The researcher started by observing the teaching learning process in the classroom. After that, the researcher made some interview with the participant, the English teacher, the students, regarding the problem that arise in the teaching learning process. Based on the result of the observation and interview, the researcher classified the problem. And then the action consists of planning. The planning, which is conducted in primary school in SDI Darussalam. So the researcher discussed with the teacher and the collaborator to determine the action to solve the problem. And then the implementation. Before the implementation, there would be a pre-task. In the next meeting, the researcher would give the student a speaking task by using a digital worksheet as an implementation. Then in the last, the researcher would give the student post-task. The observation, in this phase, the researcher would observe the steps of this classroom action research by direct observation in the classroom using observation checklist, and also record lessons by making fitnet the researcher would also interview the English teacher, the students, and the research collaborator. And if it is a must, maybe the researcher will also make an interview with the student parents. And then the reflection. In the reflection, the last step is analyze the data, make the reflection on the action. When the results of the action were not significant, then the researcher will do the next circle and might give some changes to the action. That's all my presentation for today. Thank you for the attention. Okay, good morning.